Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Tuesday to you. Another day, another week in the market. Hope everybody enjoyed their long 3-day weekend. We was out and the market was closed yesterday for MLK Day. Nothing wrong with that. One of the benefits of having those holidays off is you cash up. You don't spend money. So some money you have saved to put back into the market. As you can see, today the market is pulling back. Donald Trump is doubling down on Greenland, and anybody, any country that's not on his side, is not with him, not riding with him. He is opposing a 25% tariff. And if, like I said, if you're not riding with him, not feeling the way he feel, not on his side, if you against him, if you with Greenland, whatever country you are, they're gonna get a 25% tariff. So that's why the market selling off, which is good. Am I buying the dip today? Yes, I am. What have I brought? Urgent buys, urgent sales. Let's get to it. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. Watch me recent videos. Share my channel also. And let's go, man. What did I get? YMAG. YMAG had a bunch of buy orders come in. Notice payout every week. It's doing options on the Magnificent 7. There, go get some of that. Put your buy limit orders in at 13.51. I done put mine in for another 5 shares, buying 5 shares of this every day. Times like this, I'm using my margin, so I don't have to spend my own money. When times get good, I'm not buying nothing. Got YMAX. Put your buy limit orders in at $9.81. Buy another 5 shares of this every day. Y'all don't think I'm playing. $9.81 right there set. Another one is QDTE. But you only need one of these though. What QDTE does, the NASDAQ 100. Similar to QYLD. Just went and brought some fractional shares of this over. I did buy some over the 24-hour market. I did get some, but at this price, you can't beat it. So just go get your little piece of fractional share, man. I got like $3 worth earlier. And I go get another 3. This is the average, the lower my average cost. You got that one. You got XDTE, one I also like, pay out every week. This is S&P 500. So you can either do YMAG or XDTE. I got both. Like I said, they both pay out weekly. The round hills might seem a little less volatile, but it is what it is. You can always sell one later if you don't like it. KHC, $23.20. And put a buy limit order right there. This one here, as you see, is going up. So $23.20. Put that in. I know I did it with my Cash App portfolio. I get 5. Well, let me get 2. Y'all know KHC got a nice this is a dividend play, got a nice 6.8% yield. I can tell you right now. Dividend yield is 6.8%. 52-week low is $22.91 with a high of $33.35. It's a food stock. It's getting beat down. I'm gonna probably exit my position in this one later and keep my Cash App one because I got 2 positions in it. Pfizer is another one for you to get. Go set your buy limit at 25.09. Pfizer right now got a 6.71% dividend yield, not going anywhere. Dividend play. SoFi came down to $24.90. That's definitely a nice buying price. Shot back up past the $26 mark quick. Definitely a nice one to have. You got Visa. You know they trying to put Trump is requesting to put a cap on the credit card companies for 1 year, only for 12 months, at a 10% interest rate. You know, they got the midterm elections coming up, so they say he doing that just to have a good look into this. And after the year's over with, he not gonna care. So Visa, 52-week high 375.51 with a low 299, $299. I'm thinking about selling a lot of my bank stocks except for SoFi. Well, I took my initial investment out of all of them. Now I'm just playing with the house money now, but SoFi gonna be the one I'm gonna ride with, along with Robinhood and Webull with Capital One. But the whole reason me saying this is I just want to deal with the credit card companies with MasterCard, American Express, Visa, and Capital One. Still bank stocks, still in the finance, but just dealing with credit cards. They're gonna make a lot of money on interest. MA, MasterCard, also came down today to 529.58. We'll get you some of that. Just gonna dollar. I'm buying $3 a day of that. Every time it's down, I'm buying it. I'm buying it every day. 52-week high 601.77. 52-week low 465.59. Especially if that request goes through about the 10% cap, it's gonna have a sell off, and I'm gonna be buying it every day. Bull. Just waiting on some good earnings to come out. This is a long-term play. This is rated, analyst got this rated as a buy. Going at $7.80. That's a long-term play. Also, QQQY, $22.78. That's what I set my buy limit orders at. I did get 25 shares of this today at 23 something. It triggered it. Average cost $26.68. Now 121 shares, pay out every week. It's another one dealing with the NASDAQ 100. I went and got some hood triggered for me today. I brought like 2 shares. Average cost of $119.56 now. Put your buy limit orders in at $102.56. Especially if you follow me on Cash App. Go there because you can set a buy limit order on a fractional cost. NFLX, Netflix, another one. Go ahead and get you some of that. This is going to be another long-term play. 52-week high is 134. They say you can see this going to 160. All it takes is good earnings, and it's going to shoot past that. NFLY. Y'all know we buy this one too. This one overnight went down to $11, and it shot back up to $11.33 quick. So what am I going to do? I'm going in at $11. One thing about having Robinhood, you can trade this in a 24-hour market. Just in case that happens again. I can pick up me a couple shares that pay every week anyway. HPP, I'm telling y'all to stay out of it, but if you're in it, time to lower your average cost. I know I get it. Things can get ugly. But it is what it is. Part of trading. This is a REIT. I should have made my exit a long time ago, but hey, man. There's water under the bridge now. Maggie also came down in the 24-hour market because it's deal with the S&P Magnificent 7 too. Get $5 worth for this to lower my average cost. 50.70. 52-week low is $49.99. Go get another $5 worth. Try to get around that 50.70 mark. I'm at 52.18. Anyway, we'll get there. So I said I don't load up on nothing. Did COF Capital One. Came down to 231.50. Go get you some of that. 1.09% yield. 52-week low is 143.22 with a high of 259.64. And last one on my list is Ybit. I think it's 5% off now. I just got the notification. I just went and brought $5 worth. 33.15. 52-week low is 33.02. The high 68.65. No Bitcoin. I'm getting whooped. Since we here, let's go get some Misty 30.29. 52-week low is 28.83. So on days like this, you can get these kind of discounts when you want to buy. We'll get me some of that. $5 worth, reinvest some of those dividends back. What else we're going to go get? Coney. CONY. If you get $40 a week, reinvest 20 for the week and put 20 into another play. Well, we just was at Coney. I should have went and did it the same way. See Coney. Got Coney. Get some NVDY, NVIDIA at 1404. It's pay out every week and trade in the 24-hour market. NVDY part of the Magnificent Seven. It's a down day, not getting Tesla too high for me. ULTY. Got that on a $1 recurring investment. AMZY, Amazon. I go get some of that. But anyway, let's go check our traps, man. Because all these other yield max is going to be on the list anyway. But yeah, definitely brought that YMAG and YMAX and QQQY. Got to buy that cash flow. I took the house money, well, my initial investment in this one out. Right now, I'm just going to let it ride. It's a nice dividend player with 5.19%. PE ratio is 6.59. Made a new 52-week high at $14.91. I'm thinking about just selling it all and keeping it moving. But we'll see. Let's get through this trade. I want to trim down the fat on my positions in this portfolio. 154. I don't know. They had good earnings today, and it's still coming down. But that's 3M is a buy and hold forever type of company. We got good. I do need to come down to this one. This has a 10.24% yield payout every month. It's a commercial REIT. I'll say stay out of it because commercial REITs getting beat up. You can get a better yield with less risk somewhere else. SCM, that's Stellus, $12.92. Not messing with that one. Granite Point Mortgage, $244. I'm at $220. I want LFT to come down in the 130 range for me to buy in some more. Waiting on that one to get at least 136. Blackstone, $13.91. It's a nice REIT to have. CHMI, $266. I'm at $264. Not bothering with that. That's Aries. Look at the Dow, 2682. Up right now. That's the chemical company, just like Lionel Basel, LYB, TRTX 902. I'm at $8. Quarterly dividend plays, I just keep. Starwood from last week, I do need to get this one. Ain't no urgent buy, nothing, just to lower my average calls. It does have about a 9% quarterly dividend payer. Starwood, definitely nice dividend play. You can put this on $1 recurring, get you a 10.34% dividend yield there. Brandywine still above the $3 mark. Not gonna bother that. ABR still above the $8. Not gonna bother that. If that get this 1 quarter good earnings, that's gonna shoot up. BGS, we at 428. I just keep that for quarterly dividend. Capital Southwest, I got to come down some more for me to buy. Redwood Trust, I've been meaning to get this every week, but be forgetting to buy it. that one. Why am I getting Redwood Trust? 12.08% dividend you're gonna get every quarter. 673 is 52-week low with a is the 52-week high with a low of 468. Just need the lower by average cost there. AFCG. Be buying this weekly at 330 now. 52-week low is 231. Going to get some at 239. Marijuana stock. Another one I'm gonna make my exit when it does run. Swing trade, risky. ORC been doing great. Got past the 822 mark. I'm up over $1,000. Thought about selling my position. Right now, I can pay my margin off in my Webull portfolio. I owe like $39,000. I got 3 stocks I can sell right now that's in the green, and I can give all that back. I'm considering doing that because my plan was I make at least 36 grand a year in that portfolio within a year. That'll pay that back. Just say the margin, but I can do it now, and just in case the market pull back, I can re-enter the stocks I sell at a cheaper price. So I was thinking about that. Got two harbors. Gave y'all that long time ago. This merged with another company. 1428 52-week high. 11.56% yield. I might take my money out of that one, put that in like YMAG or QQQY to quadruple my dividends. Like I say, REITs are good, man, but I think they're going to catch a little hell in the future. So I'm going to look at that one. TWO. TWORC and ARR is also the one y'all been sleeping on. It was down. I was giving y'all this one. GSBD, 14% dividend yield. All right, we're at the yield max. We got AMZY. This ARR doing well, 1861. I'm up 21.51% in this one. Just another one I can sell. Get this to pay back the margin. Just put it all in YMAX and get in YBAG. Everybody trip about the price depreciation, but only buy it on the days whenever it's down. Just got a 52-week high of 1931. Still got this as a hold in the buy. Might keep this position here. I got another position in my Charles Schwab. I need to lower. Am I up in this one? No, yes, I am. I'm at 1532. Just, man, when you up, you got to take profits, man. Take some of that money back. Like I said, they got too much stuff to pay out every week if you really want yield. We did get NVDY. IWMY one I also like, 2064. Got this on the dollar-day recurring. Letting that just do its thing. Like I say, right now I'm just cashing up. Basically going with XDTE, QDTE, and YMAX and YMAG, doubling down on those. FEPI, a lot of other stuff I got on the dollar-day recurring anyway. FEPI at 44.92. I'm at 45. I can let that come down some more. I have FEPI on the dollar day anyway. TSPY. I'm up in that one. Leave it alone. GMRE. GPTY 4210. Get a little $2 worth here. Just want to stay around the average cost. That's weekly cash flow. BTCC, Bitcoin down. 5% off the day. Now this got to be straight BS, cause I done been buying fractional shares of this. So now they done cut it back on. As you can see here, I brought $5 worth right here at 21.53. Now all of a sudden they want you to buy the full shares. Robinhood, you full of it. Anyway, I'm gonna let you just stay there. I just trade with Ybit. I still get some though, but just gonna buy it out every week. LFGY 26.38, I'm at 28.40. Want to pick up some of that. WP. Like all these, you can put these on $1 a day recurring, man. Get some of that one. Got Ybit, TSLY, don't worry about that one. Got HPP, got MSTY, PYPY, 38.99, 38.51, it's 52-week low. Like I said, I was loading up on this one a long time ago, buying it every week. I learned the hard way with yield maxes. Don't you do that. 30.59 with RDTE. Can leave that one alone. This is everything I brought over from my Robinhood. Well, Webull. Some of my Webull plays. ITA. That's the $1 a day I put up. That's the Aero Defense Company. All right, and that's it, man. Enjoy your day. Stay warm. Go get your money.